Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to turn off reviews notifications on your Glassdoor app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. All you have to do, you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, just click here on account settings. So then you come to this list here and you click here on push and email notifications. So then you click here on edit email settings here, and then it's going to take you to this list here. Just switch into open video here. So then you click here on reviews here, then it's going to take you to this list. You come here to reviews for this color, and like you see color, it's gone. That's my reviews notifications on off with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.